The world has witnessed the steady rise of nations armed with evolutionary technology, but none have managed to spark the same interest and perhaps fear as Russia's next-generation combat robots. For decades, the Kremlin has heavily invested in artificial intelligence and robotics, envisioning a future where traditional soldiers are complemented or replaced by mechanized counterparts. In partnership with Russia's space agency Roscosmos, Android Technics developed the Fedor, Final Experimental Demonstration Object Research, robot. Initially designed for space missions, Fedor has since been adapted for military purposes. Videos of Fedor dual-wielding pistols went viral, highlighting its potential as a combat asset. Fedor is a humanoid robot with a robust exoskeleton and stands approximately 5 feet 9 inches tall, weighing around 160 pounds. It is equipped with a series of motors, sensors, and actuators that enable it to mimic human movements, such as walking, running, and manipulating objects with precision. Developed by Russian engineers, the robot was designed to assist astronauts by performing tasks like spacecraft repairs and operating equipment with zero gravity. One of Fedor's standout features is its bipedal mobility. It relies on high-torque motors and advanced algorithms to walk with fluid motion, excelling in urban warfare, navigating confined spaces, disarming explosives, and engaging enemies with lethal accuracy. Its hands are articulated fingers capable of fine manipulation, which is needed for its intended functions, such as repairing. Unlike traditional drones or UGVs, its humanoid design allows it to mimic human soldiers' tasks while reducing risk to human lives. Fedor focuses on combat readiness, giving Russia a humanoid edge that balances utility and lethality. Next, we have the Uran 9, also known as the Vanguard of Unmanned Warfare, originally developed by JSC 766 UPTK but currently owned by Kalashnikov Concern. This machine is designed to dominate as a heavily armed unmanned ground combat vehicle, UGCV. It carries a 30mm Shapunov 2A72 autocannon, Ataka anti-tank missiles, and a Shmel M flamethrower, making it a multi-purpose juggernaut. The Uran 9's first major trial during the Syrian conflict revealed its major loopholes, issues like delayed operator responses and signal disruptions. However, these setbacks have been systematically addressed in recent iterations. With updated sensors and AI, Uran 9 now serves as a critical tool for reconnaissance and support. Though it stumbled in its debut, the Uran 9's arsenal outshines many Western equivalents, such as the American Ripsaw. Its ability to act as a shield for infantry units makes it indispensable. When Kalashnikov Concern, the company famous for its AK-47 rifles, first unveiled Igorek, the world was equal parts amazed and skeptical. Standing almost 4 meters tall, this humanoid robot was equipped with advanced weaponry and designed for urban warfare. The Kalashnikov Igorek is a 13-foot-tall, 4.5-ton bipedal robot developed by the Russian defense company Kalashnikov Group. Designed for engineering and combat tasks, Igorek features a multi-person cockpit for human operators, 2 pincered, dual-fingered grasping arms and legs articulated in a reverse fashion from human legs. At the Army Forum, Kalashnikov presented Igorek as a demonstration of future military technology, highlighting its potential for carrying out engineering and combat tasks. Though its initial demonstrations were limited, it is suggested that Kalashnikov is refining its AI capabilities and mobility. Known primarily for its tank production, Uralvagonzavod has shifted gears to focus on autonomous warfare systems. The T-14 Armata, heralded as the most advanced tank globally, now boasts robotic adaptations. The T-15 is a combat engineering vehicle, an armored recovery vehicle, a heavily armored personnel carrier, a tank support combat vehicle, and several types of self-propelled artillery, including the 2 S-35 Koalitsia SV under the same codename based on the same chassis. It is also intended to serve as the basis for artillery, air defense, and NBC defense systems. These unmanned versions operate via remote control and AI integration, allowing them to navigate, target, and fire without human intervention. This mind-blowing inventory suggests that Uralvagonzavod is developing an entire fleet of robotic combat vehicles under the Armata umbrella, including unmanned infantry fighting vehicles, IFVs, and supply drones. The combination of AI and heavy artillery makes way for unparalleled battlefield efficiency. Also developed by Kalashnikov Concern, the Soratnik is an AI-powered vehicle capable of reconnaissance, perimeter defense, and direct engagement. Its armament includes a 7.62 mm machine gun and Kornet missiles. Soratnik can autonomously patrol and engage targets, reducing the need for human oversight. Its adaptability makes it a prime choice for missions, requiring both mobility and firepower. Its advanced AI rivals NATO's autonomous systems, and its ability to coordinate with other units sets a benchmark for future unmanned vehicles. Developed and produced by JSC 766 UPTK, the Uran 6 is a demining robot capable of clearing anti-personnel and anti-tank mines. Rugged and reliable, it can withstand explosive blasts while protecting operators. This innovation is a Russian version of the Croatian MV4 docking mine-clearing robot. The Uran 6 can do the work of 20 engineer troops. It can carry out its task from a safe distance of up to 1 kilometer. Uran 6 was instrumental in clearing mines in Palmyra, Syria. Its efficiency in creating safe pathways for advancing troops saves lives and time in active war zones. Compared to systems like the British Terrier, the Uran 6's cost-effectiveness and durability make it a standout in the niche of mine clearance. The Marker UGV is an anti-tank robotic unmanned ground vehicle, UGV, developed by Androidnaya Technica, a robotics company based in Russia, to provide reconnaissance and destroy enemy targets. Weighing a staggering 3 tons, Marker UGV represents the next step in Russian military robotics. Equipped with AI, it can execute missions with minimal human intervention, identifying and engaging targets independently. This mind-blowing inventory is being tested in Siberian regions, showcasing its ability to endure extreme environments. Its AI algorithms allow it to differentiate between combatants and civilians, a feature critical in modern warfare. Marker's autonomy places it ahead of most current UGVs, marking it as a potential game-changer in robotic warfare. Developed by the Progress Scientific Research Technological Institute of Izhevsk, this compact system is built for close-quarters defense, armed with machine guns and grenade launchers. Its small size and robust armor make it ideal for urban combat. Platform M can be used for gathering intelligence, discovering and eliminating stationary and mobile targets, providing firepower support, patrolling, and guarding important sites. The unit's weapons can be guided, it can carry out supportive tasks, and it can destroy targets in automatic or semi-automatic control systems. It's equipped with optical, electronic, and radio reconnaissance locators, which enable the Russian robot to perform combat tasks during the night without unmasking itself. Platform M is a universal platform that can be supplied with a variety of defensive chassis and weaponry, the developer added. The Platform M robot can perform tasks during the night and is armed with a Kalashnikov assault rifle made in Izhevsk and 4 grenade launchers. Russia's armed forces have conducted war games with the participation of new Platform M combat robots. In the course of the exercises by the Baltic Fleet, which took place in mid-June near Kaliningrad, the robotic combat platforms, armed with grenade launchers and Kalashnikov rifles, saw their first action, executing their military missions alongside their live colleagues. Platform M is often deployed to hold perimeters, suppress enemy advances, and provide immediate firepower in hotspots. Developed by Kalashnikov concern, an evolution of Soratnik, this variant includes anti-drone capabilities, reflecting the growing importance of air dominance in modern warfare. BS-01G specializes in countering enemy UAVs while maintaining traditional support roles, making it a dual threat on the battlefield. The system is designed for reconnaissance, fire support, patrols, and protection of areas and important facilities, as well as mine clearance and obstacle clearing. This is an armored tracked vehicle equipped with a computer control system. Soratnik can operate in conjunction with other automated combat units, including Zala Aero unmanned aircraft. An MBDU remote-controlled weapon station can be installed on the Soratnik UGV, which was also developed by the Kalashnikov concern and demonstrated at the RAE 2015 exhibition. Mounted on a heavy-duty armored vehicle, Ural 53099 Typhoon U. In the weapon station, 4 types of weapons can be installed, such as a 12.7 mm and 7.62 mm machine gun, a 30 mm AG-17A grenade launcher, and a new 40 mm automatic grenade launcher. In addition, up to 4 hand grenade launchers can be installed. The weapon station is equipped with gyroscopic stabilization of armament and can detect, accompany, and destroy targets, determining their type. As an armament, it is possible to install an ATGM of the Cornet EM type. It is possible to exchange information with the UAV. Its anti-drone focus fills a critical gap, as aerial threats become a central concern in modern military strategies. At the International Military Technical Forum Army, the Russian defense industry has presented a new concept of robotic military systems based on BMP-3 IFV, infantry fighting vehicle, called the Viker. This new UGV could enter into service with the Russian armed forces in the next few months. Developed by Kalashnikov concern built for versatility, Viker operates seamlessly in diverse environments, from forests to urban landscapes. Its arsenal includes both machine guns, and anti-tank missiles. The Viker is a remotely controlled reconnaissance vehicle that has a combat weight of 14,700 kilograms and which can be used to engage ground and aerial targets. It has the same performance as the original BMP-3 IFV using the same power pack and suspension components. The Viker can run at a maximum speed of 60 kilometers per hour with a maximum cruising range of 600 kilometers. It is fully amphibious, propelled in the water by 2 water jets at the rear of the hull at a maximum speed of 10 kilometers per h. The original turret of the BMP-3 was removed and replaced by a new, smaller turret mounted in the center top hull of the Viker, which is armed with 130 mm automatic cannon, 2 A-72, a 7.62 mm coaxial machine gun, and 6 anti-tank guided missiles. Cornet M, 3 on each side of the turret. Viker's adaptability allows it to support ground troops, engage enemy armor, and secure strategic positions, making it a jack of all trades. Its multi-terrain capabilities give it an edge over single-purpose systems like China's Sharp Claw. Meet the Uran-14, a multifunctional tracked robotic system developed by JSC 766 UPTK. It's designed to tackle fires in life-threatening, hazardous environments and areas that are tough to reach with traditional firefighting methods. The Uran-14's design is based on the Croatian-made Docking MVF-5, another proven firefighting robot, so it already has a solid track record when it comes to handling dangerous conditions. The original concept borrows from demining systems that can withstand mine detonations and other extreme operations, making the Uran-14 well-suited to high-risk scenarios. Its job isn't limited to firefighting either. It can also help deal with the aftermath of technological accidents, conduct engineering reconnaissance, and remotely deploy firefighting equipment. First shown at the International Military and Technical Forum Army 2015, the Uran-14 prototype was delivered that same year to a Russian army base in the Transbaikal region. Up front, it has a dozer blade capable of pushing obstacles weighing up to 10 tons. There's also a rotating gripper for mine clearance and heavy lifting, up to 2 tons. This versatile gripper can penetrate buildings, cut wires, and act like the jaws of life. For even more cutting power, claw-like hydraulic shears can be installed on the front, able to deliver a force of 18 kN. Around back, you can mount a hydraulic winch with a 7,100 kilograms pull rating plus 25 meters of steel rope. A sophisticated video system gives operators full control and awareness, thanks to 6 high-resolution waterproof cameras, one of which is thermal, so it can see through smoke and low-visibility conditions. While the Uran-14 isn't designed for direct combat, its ability to prepare the battlefield and handle dangerous tasks makes it an invaluable asset for paving the way to successful operations. Manufactured by the Special Technology Center, STC, in St. Petersburg, the Orlan-10 has become one of Russia's most prominent UAVs, mainly used for reconnaissance and surveillance. This medium-range tactical UAV is designed for a variety of military applications, including intelligence gathering, target acquisition, and even electronic warfare. The Orlan-10 boasts a composite fuselage that enhances its radar-evading capabilities, making it a formidable presence in contested airspace. Composed of a piston engine with a speed of 204 kilometers per hour, the UAV is equipped with high-resolution optical and infrared cameras, along with an electronic warfare system capable of disrupting enemy communications and radar. Its ability to operate in harsh weather conditions has made it indispensable for military operations in remote regions. The Orlan-10 provides real-time data to ground commanders, ensuring that decisions are based on up-to-date intelligence. The UAV's effectiveness in both tactical and strategic missions has made it one of the Russian military's preferred tools for precise and tactical operations. The four-post, developed by the Ural Civil Aviation Plant, is another important UAV in Russia's arsenal. Originally based on Israel's IAI Searcher Mech-2 design, the four-post has undergone significant modifications to meet Russia's military needs. This medium altitude is used for surveillance and reconnaissance missions. With its ability to carry various payloads, including electro-optical and infrared sensors, the four-post is an effective tool for intelligence gathering in diverse weather conditions. The aerial machine is powered by a 35 kilowatts 47 GP piston engine. The new design features updated avionics and sensor systems with greater flight endurance, as well as increased redundancy for improved survival. This aerial innovation has been a game-changer for Russian forces, providing them with a reliable platform for surveillance in regions with high threat levels for multiple purposes, like monitoring enemy movements or surveying large areas. The four-post's long endurance allows it to remain airborne for extended periods, giving the military an edge in gathering comprehensive intelligence over vast territories. While Russia continues to showcase its advancements in combat robotics, the United States remains its primary competitor, with some of the most innovative technologies and companies leading the global arms race. Developed by the General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, the MQ-9 Reaper is one of the most advanced unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, in the world. It serves as both a reconnaissance and a strike platform, capable of delivering precision-guided munitions. The MQ-9 is deployed for surveillance, target acquisition, and airstrikes. Its endurance of over 27 hours allows it to monitor areas continuously, relaying real-time data to command centers. Equipped with AGM-114 Hellfire missiles and GBU-12 Paveway 2 bombs, it is a lethal force from above. While Russia focuses heavily on ground-based systems like Uran-9, the US's MQ-9 dominates the airspace. The MQ-9's combination of precision and intelligence-gathering capabilities places it ahead of a few of the Russian aerial systems, though it does not directly compete with Russia's UGVs. Big Dog is an autonomous robot designed to transport heavy loads in rough terrains. Developed by Boston Dynamics, its four-legged design allows it to traverse areas inaccessible to wheeled or tracked vehicles. Big Dog is used for logistics support, carrying ammunition, medical supplies, and other essential equipment. It reduces the physical burden on soldiers and ensures continuous supplies in the heat of battle. This project was shelved after the engine was deemed too loud for combat. Big Dog is comparable to Russia's Igorek in terms of modularity. However, its exclusive focus on logistics, rather than direct combat, limits its versatility and importance. The Ripsaw M5 is a fully modular unmanned ground vehicle, UGV, that boasts high mobility, speed, and lethality. It's equipped with a remotely operated turret capable of housing a 30mm cannon and anti-tank missiles. Developed by Textron Systems, the Ripsaw M5 supports infantry with direct fire and reconnaissance. Its agility allows it to outmaneuver most UGVs, while its modular design ensures adaptability for various missions. The Ripsaw is intended to perform various missions, including convoy protection, perimeter defense, surveillance, rescue, border patrol, crowd control, and explosive ordnance. Cameras provide 360-degree coverage for situational awareness for the operator. Its weapon system is modified to fire remotely, using the Advanced Remote Armament System, ARS, a gun that loads its own ammunition and can swap out various types of ammunition, such as lethal and less lethal, in just a few seconds. The Ripsaw M5 rivals Russia's Uran-9 in terms of firepower and adaptability. However, its speed and ease of integration with other U.S. military systems give it an edge in dynamic combat scenarios. The Vision 60 is a quadrupedal robot used primarily for surveillance and security. Its robust design enables it to operate in extreme environments, including waterlogged terrains. Developed by Ghost Robotics, the Vision 60 is employed for perimeter defense, reconnaissance, and explosive detection. Its modular payload capacity allows it to carry various sensors and cameras. While Fedor is humanoid and designed for combat, Vision 60 prioritizes security and reconnaissance. Vision 60's simplicity and durability make it highly reliable, though it lacks the versatility and offensive capabilities of Fedor. The Kratos XQ-58 Valkyrie is an experimental stealth unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, designed and built by Kratos Defense and Security Solutions for the United States Air Force's Low-Cost Attritable Strike Demonstrator, LCASD program, under the USAF Research Laboratory's Low-Cost Attritable Aircraft Technology, LCAT, project portfolio. It was initially designated the XQ-222. This autonomous stealth drone is designed to accompany manned fighter jets. It acts as a force multiplier, engaging in electronic warfare, reconnaissance, and strike missions. The Valkyrie operates alongside fighter jets like the F-35, providing additional firepower and reconnaissance capabilities without risking pilot lives. Its low cost makes it expendable in high-risk missions. While Soratnik focuses on ground operations, the Valkyrie dominates the skies. Its autonomous capabilities and integration with manned systems make it a significant asset. Talon is a lightweight, man-portable UGV used for reconnaissance and hazardous material detection developed by KinetiQ North America. Talon is deployed in missions requiring precision and stealth. Its ability to disarm explosives remotely saves countless lives on the battlefield. They are widely deployed for improvised explosive devices, IED, and explosive ordnance disposal, EEOD, reconnaissance, communications, CBRN, chemical, biological, radiological, nuclear, hazmat, security, heavy lift, and defense and rescue missions. Talon and Uran-6 serve similar roles in demining and hazardous material disposal. However, Talon's compact size and versatility make it more deployable in urban environments, while Uran 6's heavy-duty design excels in large-scale demining operations. Next, we have the Phoenix Ghost, developed by Avex Aerospace. It's speculated to be a loitering munition, capable of targeting enemy assets with precision. The Phoenix Ghost's primary purpose is to deliver an explosive munition to a human-selected target. The drone can loiter over an area for up to 6 hours and can conduct surveillance. It is effective against medium-armored ground targets. It has infrared sensors for night operations. On the battlefield, it is used for kamikaze-style strikes, where it is designed to hover over a target area before launching a devastating attack. While Russia's focus has been on ground combat systems, the Phoenix Ghost emphasizes precision aerial strikes. Other groundbreaking innovations have been made this past year, bringing phenomenal changes to the technological oasis. At the ILA Berlin Air Show 2024, the German aerospace industry took center stage, unveiling cutting-edge technologies that promise to redefine the future of aviation. Among the standout presentations was Airbus's introduction of the Wingman, an unmanned stealth drone designed to operate alongside manned aircraft. This innovative system is equipped with artificial intelligence, enabling it to undertake high-risk tasks such as reconnaissance, electronic jamming, and precision strikes, thereby enhancing mission safety and effectiveness. The Wingman's low observability features allow it to evade detection, while its advanced sensors and armaments ensure it can effectively engage in combat operations. This drone is powered by a 240 kilowatts electric motor and can reach a speed of up to 86 kilometers per hour. It has a maximum flight altitude of 2.1 kilometers and a range of 51 kilometers, with a payload capacity of up to 135 kilograms. In addition to the Wingman, Airbus showcased other projects, including the Eurodrone for European intelligence and surveillance missions, the solar-powered high-altitude Zephyr, and the VSR 700 with advanced stealth capabilities. The implications of these advancements are profound. As Russia integrates combat robots into its military strategy, rival nations are forced to accelerate their robotics programs. This arms race extends beyond traditional warfare, encompassing cyber operations and AI ethics. Furthermore, Russia's willingness to deploy and test these machines in real conflict zones provides very valuable data, giving them a strategic advantage. Critics argue that this sets a dangerous precedent, potentially escalating conflicts and raising moral questions about the use of AI-integrated weapons. These UAVs represent the forefront of Russia's unmanned aerial vehicle technology. Each of these systems has been tailored to address specific operational needs, from stealth to firepower to precision and strike capabilities. The companies behind these innovations, such as the Special Technology Center, Ural Civil Aviation Plant, and many more, have played vital roles in advancing Russia's UAV capabilities. With the development of these UAVs, Russia has positioned itself as the top in unmanned aerial and land technology because these systems are expected to play a significant role in modern warfare. As global military competition intensifies, Russia's technology becomes a glimpse into the future of unmanned combat, surveillance systems, and evolution. For more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you next time.